What is up, guys? It's your boy David King here with another episode of Unboxing the Best. But not just any episode, this is the Christmas episode. So right here, I've got a special edition shoe that I'm very excited to show you guys. If you haven't seen these videos before, I'm going on a journey of buying new shoes, upgrading my shoe game with cool and unique shoes that look good but don't cost a ton of money. So that way, if you like what I get, then you can get it yourself and not have to break the bank. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this because I'm pretty stoked about these. I did get these from Goat. I know a lot of times I do get them from Goat, so it's pretty common for me. They're just real quick ship time, always come in good condition, and the verification's a nice little add-on. So I'm gonna pop this open, get all the stuffing out of here, delete this, and right on top you can see a nice black Jordan box, Air Jordan box. Throw that on the ground. Alright, I'm gonna pop this open. As always, Goat sticker, Goat verification, you know how that goes. Some extra laces, they're black laces. I think gives you a heads up of what these are. And of course I had to get something Christmassy for the Christmas edition, so right here, boom, the Jordan 1 SE Christmas edition. It is a sick shoe, leather all the way on the outside, suede on the inside with a cool design on both the toe and the sides. Just a really, really clean shoe. Taxi cab yellow shoelaces, red Jordan logo, yellow on the back. Just a really, really clean shoe. And even the laces on the tips have red tips. It's just a nice Christmas edition shoe. This shoe cost $120. This is a very, very, very cool shoe. And as you can see, I'm already rocking the outfit to put these things on because, yep, I'm gonna go ahead and throw them on right this second. But those are the size 13s for 120 bucks. You can't beat that. That is a cool shoe. And yeah, I love it. I'm super happy to have it. And I can't wait to show you guys what I got coming for the new year. So, guys, keep tuning in. Thanks for tuning in on this video. I look forward to just continuing putting out some new shoes for you guys to check out. So thank you guys so much again for watching. Check out the next video, and you guys have a wonderful Christmas and be safe. Love you guys.